Last time we took a closer look at the API with PAW and we recognized some potential problems with our approach so far. What I'd like to do is select all of our, like everything in the sidebar here and export it as a curl script. I'm going to save mine as nasa.sh inside of a JSON folder on top of my desktop. Now I'll go ahead and replace the file I made a moment ago before I did this recording. And we'll load it up. Load it up in your favorite text editor. And I'm going to use multi-cursor support, and we'll add just a script. We'll pipe to Python, and we want to format the JSON nicely. Otherwise, it'll come out with no carriage returns. I'm just going to make sure these are nice names. We'll call this one, it's not an error, but we'll call it, like these are all the ones where we have potential issues. Two of them, they're not really errors, so we get back 200 for, because it's not nil, it was just empty, right? And a couple of queries or like the parameters were not structured in order. We have two of those in which we got back a 400. And a 404 no data. 404 API key missing. Or 403, sorry. And then an API key invalid. Oh man, couldn't type that one this time. Okay. I'm going to save it over itself. We'll go ahead and replace it. And let's go into the terminal. And let's change our directory, our working directory, to desktop.json. We'll list that. We want to make that executable. And then let's run it. And we'll see it takes a moment. It's going to go through and make all of those requests. And we see that it's created a lot of JSON files for us. Oop. Let's open that up in the Finder. And we see we have all of these files now. Let's go ahead and add them to our project. And we'll make a new group called Payloads. And we will copy these into Payloads. We'll make sure copy items if needed is added or checked, and that add to targets is checked. And then we'll go ahead and commit this. I'm just going to put it as add payloads. And I went ahead and added the script. I'm going to commit that. And we'll push. And that's it for now. We should be able to use these later on for writing some proper tests and then just really being able to make certain that we're handling all of these different situations properly.